Alright, here is the 2012 Audi rear shock absorbers. Bad. So we're gonna try to replace them today. Should be pretty simple, a little bit dirty in here. So, and probably work. Anyway, so let's see if I can hold on and explain to you that this little thing needs to come off on there, on here. They should just pop out. Just like that. Save them though. Right here on the floor. Gonna use them back. Okay, so you see those two bolts up there? Right there, those two need to come loose. And then down here on the bottom, this big boy here also needs to come loose. Right there, you can see it. That comes loose. So watch your eyes when you're in here. It's a lot of debris. So that's what it does when it's bad. That's it. It's both coming out. That's garbage. There's a piece in here. Don't forget to take that out. We're using these. So we'll take this part, insert it in there. It goes a little hard, but if you push it, it'll go in. There you go. And this thing comes kind of compressed, so watch your fingers. Push it down and quickly get that off, and it will come out. Then you take this guy, throw it in there. Then we'll have this guy. That goes over that. Then use a new nut, the one that comes with the strut. Absorber, shock, whatever. It's a locking nut. So to not use other nuts, if you lose this one, you have to use it. If you have a tool, the Audi has whatever, a part of it holds this, and then the socket turns the nut. It would hold this down though it can tighten. But if you don't have that tool, because that tool is, I don't know how much money, it's not cheap. So what I do, I take a rag, wrap it around as close as is possible to the top, because this part will never go down there, because this is gonna stop it. And go up as close as you can, right about there. Tighten and clamp it. Then you can tighten this thing down. And don't over tie it. I'm gonna just do a little bit with this guy. And this slides over back in. Back on, and I just use the strap. I tie it down so we can compress them. If you are not on the rams or on the car jacks, because there's no enough floor room to put that from the bottom or anything, so I compress them like these so we can get it through. When you get it through back in the spot, then you take this thing out. I do use little blue tread locker, not the red. Just a little. Get him start. The tread locker and another one too, a little. Don't tie it, just to bring it up to it, but don't tie it up yet. Kind of hand tie, because you still got to go on the bottom, tie up the bottom. Don't forget the washers. The washer goes in there. Put that guy in there. And put this washer there too. Get a start. Don't over tie it, just do a little bit. Pretty actually simple, but makes a big difference in your car when you're driving. Thanks for watching.